In today's video, I've got a new, I don't want to call it a toy, but a new fancy. It's the older people would say. So, if you want to see what's in this box, then keep watching. Hi, and welcome to the channel. Before I get started, first let me say thank you to all my new subscribers, to my JS family that's been true blue, tight like glue. Hugs and blessings to you. Even hugs and blessings to you guys that's hiding in the bush. I see you. But that's okay. So you guys, today I've been trying to get some things together, and I got this. Now, this was something that was on sale. Wayfair had a sale, you guys, and I participated. And so I'm not gonna hold you. Let's just crack this baby open and get it cracking. Okay, so let's do it. What is that? Oh, this is going to be easy. So you guys, this video is going to be probably very short, but okay, so you know how I've been feeling about my girl back there. Now, for years, I loved her. She was the queen's chair. But over the years, those flowers have got on my last nerves. So, we're going to replace her. And what do we have? Sorry for the noise. But I learned from another YouTuber to keep this paper because it's good for cleaning glass. It really is. So, oh, it's already, I don't have to put it together. Okay, so let's see. This is the only way I know to get it out, you guys. Because you know I never wait for my husband. I can't wait. I'm not that girl. So, oh, she just wants to hang on in there. Okay. Get that out of the way. Let me scoot her back. You can't really see her. Let's scoot her back. So, it's probably going to be an adjustment because I'm used to all of this fabulous back. And this is a barrel chair that swivels. So let's see. Hold on a second. So you guys, the queen has a new chair. This is very comfortable. And I started to get two because I was thinking of switching out the chair in my bedroom. But this is, I don't know, y'all. I might still be stuck with old Bessie here. Oh, so you guys, tell me. Well, let's do this. Let's move her and put her in its place and see how we like it. Yeah, let's do that. So, because of the color of this, Hold on, let me adjust you. Okay, because of the color of this, I will be Scotch guarding it. So that it doesn't get stained. So, okay. I know you don't want to see me move furniture because I do it all the time. So, I'm going to take a nano break and then come back with this gem. So, there she is. I added some greenery for a pop of color. I needed a little color over here. So, yes. Yes, girl, yes. So, let me tell you a little bit. As I said, it swerves. And I pulled the tags off. And it says that the body is 100% polyurethane foam. Polyurethane, wait a minute. The body is polyurethane foam, 100%. And then polyurethane foam, 88%. Polyester fiber batting. And yes. So that's that. So I'm doing, you guys, I'm going through the house and I am changing little things. In my sunroom, I have a fandelier now. So I'll be sharing that with you guys. Actually, I bought 2 fandeliers and thank you, Rod, for putting it up. Rod is my handyman. Honey, Rod puts up a dang on ceiling fan, I kid you not, in like 5 minutes. So he put up 2 fandeliers for me. I changed out some light fixtures outside, the outside fixtures. And I'm just going through just doing little things in each little room. And then eventually it's all going to add up because I'm still doing that guest room. And I'm excited for it, you guys. I'm excited for it. I may even change these curtains, even though they do look kind of cute. I don't know. It's just I'm in that mode. So, as I said, this was just a quick unboxing. Again, my chair is from Wayfair. I'll put the link in the description box down below because I was trying not to, you guys, but after sitting in that, I might have to be a 2-4. You know I'm a 2-4 girl. Anyway, I don't know why I was playing. Should have got it when it was on sale, so I'm going to have to wait for another sale to come back around to get the chair. Not that the chair is expensive, but we love a sale. I'm a sale girl. Give me a sale any day. So, that, I believe, is going to conclude this video. But you know what I love to say? I love you from your toes to your soul. And until next time, stay safe and blessed. Bye, guys.